not like I got anywhere to be anyway.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm not going to keep you. I just wanted to be sure you had your presentations ready for tomorrow.
What's tomorrow?
The parents' meeting, Mr. Schneebly. Is there a problem, Mr. Schneebly?
No.
Good. The parents will need to see how their children are progressing, so you will need to prepare a few subject breakdowns and some paperwork your pupils have completed in class.
Yes, I'd love to meet the parents. I'm such a huge fan of their opinion of my work. Just one thing, how long is that going to take?
They come when school finishes and they leave around 7. Why?
No reason. I have little things to get to afterwards. I'm sure we'll make it on time.
Mr. Schneebly, Parents' Night is very important to me. They must walk away with a smile on their faces.
And drugs are out of the question.
It's not a joke, Mr. Schneebly. They are my employers and they are your employers. We have to please them. I'm not going to hold you up anymore. You have a busy afternoon ahead.
Ooh, she could use a good defrosting. Isn't always the way she is in horse cream.
I'll say. Remember at the teachers' convention when she was singing Dreams at the top of her lungs after just one beer?
Well, likewise, she's a big fan of Stevie Nicks. What? Wait, Rosalie Mullins, a rock chick. Big fan of Stevie Nicks. Good to know.
What was the meeting about?
I don't know, Parents' Night?
Parents' Night?
Yes, they just want to see some of your written work, some of the project you've completed in class.
What written work?
What completed projects?
I don't know.
Well, what are you going to do?
I don't know, Summer, what would you do? You're the one with the brains around
I
here.
don't know, we're the teacher. If our parents aren't coming tomorrow, then we will not be able to go away for the alphabet.
No, don't worry about that, I'm working on that.
But how? It's just not possible. Well, it's got to be.
Again, it's got to be and it will be. We just need to come up with a plan. Guys, I need some ideas. Whoa! Hey, hang on. Tamika wants something to say something? This should be interesting. Come here. What's up?
Mr. Schneebly, I wish...
Tamika, I know you're shy, but I'm not a mind reader. No? So what's up?
I wish I was in the band.
Oh. Well, I wish you were too, but do you play an instrument?
No. You want to sing.
Yeah.
I do want to sing. You asked me to be a backup singer. And I'm not a backup singer, I'm a singer.
Okay. It's a little too late for that now, Tamika. But hey, you know what? If you sing something right now, I'm gonna make you a singer, all right? But I cannot make you a singer unless you can sing. Oh, okay, you know what? Don't worry about it. It's okay, all right? Don't worry about it. Guys, we need to come up with a plan like right now, okay? Get Well, I always knew there was something inside of you, and now I know what it is. Pure magic. You're in the band. Give it up for Tamika!
It's Muller!
And then for E equals MC squared.
I'm sorry to interrupt, only Miss Shinecoff thought she heard music coming from this classroom again.
No, I haven't heard any music in here. Uh-oh, Miss Shinecoff must be on crack, right, kids?
What's this?
Got it. Shinecoff must have heard us learning in sing-song.
One of your methods?
Yes, I find it very useful for teaching really boring subjects.
We don't acknowledge there are any boring subjects here at Horace Green.
Slightly boring.
You don't mind if I sit in on your class this afternoon, do you, Mr. Schneebly?
No, please, come back this afternoon.
It is the afternoon, Mr. Schneebly. I meant now. Please, continue with your method.
Math is a wonderful thing. Math is a really cool thing. So get off your ass, let's do some math. Math. 42 divided by 6 is... Katie!
7.
And 55 divided by 5 is... Madison!
11.
Very good! And 74 is 65 more than what is the number? Summer!
9.
No, it's 8!
No, it's 9.
Yes, I know. I was just testing you. It's 9. And that's a magic number. Oh, okay. Don't forget your homework. Tomorrow we go over the rhythm of logarithms, but not before singing the key points in the life of President Grant. Now go!
Your methods are certainly very unusual, Mr. Schneebly.
Funny, they don't seem unusual to me, but then again, I did study under Errol von Strassenberg in Belgian, and he made Rudolf Steiner look like Mary Poppins.
Well, Mr. Schneebly, let me be clear. We are not interested in experimental philosophy here at Horace Green. Music is for music class, and math is for math class. Got it?
Got it.
Great.
Do you want to grab a drink?
Excuse me?
Like coffee?
You're asking me to go for a coffee with you.
I guess I am. Bell rang, school's out for today. What do you say?
I have things to do.
Oh, what kind of things?
Principal kind of things.
Okay, cool. Well, how about after that, you meet me at the Roadhouse?
The Roadhouse? The dive bar?
Yeah, so you know it.
Yes, I know it.
Roadhouse then.
The Roadhouse.
At 7.
7.
It's a date. Dismissed.
Are you sure they don't have any coffee?
What?
No coffee!
Oh no, it's so weird, isn't it?
There's no other coffee shops? Not even Starbucks?
No, hey, excuse me, can I get a picture, please?
Mr. Schneebly.
Oh, come on, have another one. You don't want me to drink alone, do you?
I don't think either of us should be drinking at all. Mr. Schneebly,
I really wish you called me Dewey.
Why would I call you Dewey?
Ned! This, Dewey's my other name. My middle name. Ned, Dewey, Schneebly.
Some people are born lucky. So, is there a Mrs. Ned Dewey?
No!
No.
No! No, I'm not really in the financial position right now to date. And most girls end up wanting me to be something that I'm not, like handsome. You know what? I'm gonna go put on a random song.
You know, this is the first time a teacher has ever asked me to do anything outside of school.
Really?
It's true. Not in 6 years.
You know what? I bet they're just intimidated.
It's not that. They hate me.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Ooh. You know, I was fun once. Funny even. But you can't be funny at a principal because when it comes to their kids, people have no sense of humor.
I mean, you think that's when it matters the most?
I know, nothing else matters. And I have to be perfect. And I'm not kidding you, that pressure has turned me into... Well, you know what it's turned me into.
No, I don't. What?
A bitch.
Oh.
A bitch! I love this song! Something with it.
Wait a second. Wait, you love Stevie Nicks?
I love Stevie Nicks!
You get right out of town. Shut up! No, you don't go here. Wait, I'm in the 17. This song is like a religion for me.
Just like a
Hey, have you ever seen her live?
Yes! She sang here in town once. I will never forget it.
Okay, all right. Okay, this is such a coincidence. We are like one person, Rosalie Mullins. I love Stevie Nicks. You love Stevie Nicks?
Yes!
I love freedom. You love freedom?
I do love freedom!
I knew it from the second I saw you.
You did?
Oh, yeah. Immediately. I could tell deep inside you are just like me. There's music inside you, most definitely. But you keep it locked up when it really should be in flight. Just like tonight. Well, am I right?
Yeah, you're right. Back when I was younger, wild and bold and free, I can still remember how the music used to be. Chords like rolling thunder, loud beyond control. Every note and lyric landed right across my soul. Where did the rock go? Where's the rush of those electric guitars? Where are all those voices raised to heaven, blazing down like shooting stars? Tell me secret, believe it anyway. We'll pretend it never happened, fight it and forget. Still, thanks for the reminder that there's music in me yet. I have to go.
Wait. Rosalie, wait! Are you sure about this field trip? It would be so great for the kids.
What was it?
A concert tomorrow night. It would be like you seeing Stevie for the first time. I just think that would be such an awesome experience for them.
That would be awesome. But would it be educational?
It would be an education they would never forget.
Okay. You help me send those parents home happy tomorrow, and I will see if the school can make an exception for you. You didn't have to do that. You already have permission.
Yeah, no, I didn't have to. Just wanted to. Good night, Miss Mullins.
Good night, Mr. Schneebly. Where did the rock go? All those feelings that I've learned to ignore. If you flip the record and start over, does it sound the way it did before? Where did the rock go?
Hey, dude, big plans today? Oh, hey. You got big plans today? Oh, Ned, huge plans. Huge plans. You know what? I'm going to be home late, so don't wait up for me. Oh, I won't. I'm taking Patty to Applebee's.
Ned, honey, you got a letter from Horace Green.
Really?
You never told me you sent in your resume.
I never
Oh,
answered.
answer now. Oh, Ned, you deserve this, honey. You deserve the best.
Oh, hello. Why would Horace Green pay me $2,600?
What? Why? You never worked there.
Yeah, he did. He forgot. I think I remember if I worked at Horace Green.
They just mixed up two letters, but they must want you for an interview. Honey, call them. Okay, I've got to go to work, but I am so proud of my little Nettie bear. Okay, call them. Now.
Oh, you mean now? You see my phone? Yes. Where? The bedroom. Oh. What are you doing? No, nothing. You've got my letter. Yeah, so give it back to me. I need to call them. Okay, so don't you think maybe you could use the money? It's not mine, Dewey. I didn't earn it. Oh, so it's like a bonus. You should spend that. Then wind up in court for misappropriating funds? Dewey Finn, financial advisor. I don't think so. Ned, I told them to make it out to cash. Is that... Ned! Oh no, I'll explain. Breathe. Ooh. Ned, if I told you I had done a very bad thing, would you believe me? So easily, so very easily! I'm not the kind of guy who takes advantage of his friends. Only because you haven't got any friends! Ned, I promise, you would have done the same thing if you were me. Hell, if I were you, I'd have jumped off a tall building long ago! Ned, if I tell you something right now, do you promise not to tell Patty? Sure. No. Don't say sure like that. It's not sure. It's not even likely. She's stronger than either of us. She is stronger than Washington. She's stronger than the sea! I said I won't tell her, so I won't tell her.
Miss Scheinkoff, do we have enough refreshments?
Tea, coffee, and we've got some wine.
Hold the wine for the end. Too early and it fuels their anger.
Rosalie, I had a great
Miss
time.
Mullins, Mr. Sneebly. I think I should be Miss Mullins here at Horace Green. You should be Mr. Sneebly here at Horace Green.
thank you for last night.
Yes, I'm taking the kids to the concert
Yes,
tonight.
the school will make an exception for you if the parents go home happy. Mr. Sneakley, I cannot stress how important tonight is.
Got it.
All right, gotta get ready. They will be here any minute.
Hey, you're gonna be awesome. Okay, I've ordered the bus for tonight.
And we really have permission?
Yes, I told you we have permission to go to our concert. Yeah!
What do you think?
Oh, what, Billy? What? I lose a contest, man? This is like Siegfried and wrong.
It's glitter rock! It's glam! It's fabulous! Have you no vision?
Oh no, I have 20/20 vision, Billy. I have seen salads dressed better than this. This is not style.
Style? You talk to me about style? You can't even dress yourself! You're in the same ugly clothes every day! Fine! I give up! They can just wear their uniforms.
Ooh, you know what? Actually, that is not a bad idea.
Not a bad idea, I was kidding!
Billy, you don't got time, dude. Yeah. What is that? Oh no, don't stop. What is that?
Nothing. It's just a little thing I was fooling around with.
You wrote that. You wrote a song? Play it. I want to hear it.
I'm not much of a singer.
Play it.
Baby, we were making straight A's.
Guys.
So we were stuck in a dumb days. Don't take much to memorize your lies. I feel like I've been hypnotized.
Zach, that is great.
You really like it?
Yes, I really like it. It's really good. Lawrence, Freddie, Katie, rock positions right now.
What are you doing?
We're gonna learn your song.
But why?
Because that's what a band does, dude. You have lyrics? Yeah, okay. What are the chords?
D,
What are they?
D,
D.
C,
C.
G,
Classic. G.
back to C.
Back to C.
Baby, we were making straight A's, but we were stuck in a dumb days.
I love this. Oh my god.
Don't take much to memorize your lies. I feel like I've been hypnotized, and if you wanna be the teacher's pet, then maybe you just better forget it. 'Cause rock is the reason, rock is the rhyme.
Oh, wait, I have an idea, actually. If it's okay with the writer. Can we do, rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. Is that okay? Okay, we're gonna do it. Okay. Where's Freddie? Ready? He's there. He's always there. All right, Katie, show me that face. Yeah, backup singers. Come here. The little chorus part, the last part. I need you guys to be like, ooh la la la, ooh la la la, and then make up some funky dance moves. Okay, better than that, obviously. All right, Freddie, hit it, boy. 1, 2, 3.
And if you wanna be the teacher's pet, maybe you better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. Get in school, and if you wanna be the teacher's pet, maybe you just better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. Been getting a long time.
What is with this music? Zach is not a smart kid. He doesn't have time to waste on all this music. He needs all the studying he can get. Now he says when he grows up, he wants to be a musician.
Tamika's the same way, I don't get it. All this singing and listening and singing some more. What does she learn?
Lawrence's head is stuck with keyboards. He won't talk or think about anything else.
Because they don't work. They never work. They just sit around and play music.
Don't you think you should just tell them about the battle of the band?
Okay. All right. Okay. If everyone just wants to sit down, please. I will explain everything. Please, everyone sit down on the chairs provided. I'll explain everything. Thank you, James.
Cheers. Cool.
Everyone sit. Thank you very much. Welcome to Parents' Night. Sorry. Hi. I'm Ned Schneebly, Mrs. Dunham's substitute, and for the past few weeks, I have been getting to know your kids. Your kids. You. You say Zach is not smart? Are you out of your mind? Zach is an insane guitarist with an even better brain. I mean, have you ever heard him play? This kid is the next Hendrix. And Freddie, Katie, I mean, they can jam with the best of them. But more importantly, ever since they picked up these instruments, they have grown so much. I have seen it. They are great kids. You. Lawrence plays keyboards all day, yeah? Why shouldn't he? Come here, dude. This kid is incredible. I mean, he's going to go down in the rock record books. He is a sex god. Look at him. Marcy and Chanel have the voices of angels. I worship every single note that comes out of their mouths. And Tamika, oh, Tamika's a star. I don't even get me started on Summer. Summer is going to be the first woman president of this United States of America. She could run later this year, and I would vote for her. Look, they're all really, really great kids. I mean, if they were mine, I would be so proud. I am proud.
He's an imposter!
Man, you told Patty she got it out of me. Sorry.
Don't apologize.
Sorry.
Who is this?
What the hell is going on?
I will tell you what is going on. This is the real Ned Schneebly, and this loser is Dewey Finn. He's not even a teacher. He can barely read.
Okay, let me speak. All right, yes, I confess that my actual name is Dewey Finn.
No!
Yes, indeed. And although you should know I'm not licensed to teach, I promise you, I can read. Oh my God! Forget what I might happen to be. These children of yours have truly touched me, and I can assure you, I have definitely touched them. What? Well, most of them.
Are missing.
Together and take charge. You can do it. You're a strong woman and a good principal, and I don't want to hear any more self-doubt today. Now, I'll see what I can do with the parents.
Mason, what's going on? Where are the other children?
I can't stay. They're waiting. I forgot my computer running all the lights.
You're not going anywhere. What lighting? What computer? Keeping who waiting?
We got the instruments, but we have to pick up Mr. Schneebly, and then we can
Mason,
continue
you
out of
don't
the
know
bed.
that isn't Mr. Schneebly. That is Mr. Finn.
What's the difference? We're a good band, Miss Mullins. We worked so hard for the show.
He is not who he says he is.
Who cares? He taught us that rock instead of scream. We can't fail him now. Miss Mullins, the parents are back and they're demanding a meeting right now.
Go. I will handle this.
We're the best, Miss Mullins.
I have nowhere else to go.
Yeah, well, find a place.
This is not
I don't
cheating.
want to hear anything you have to say. I have never liked you, and now you bring this mess onto our doorstep. Don't you even realize how serious this is? Dewey, we're talking about children, young, vulnerable children.
Okay, they don't play the instrument. I gotta play.
Don't you get it, you idiot? This is fraud. You can go to prison. What were you thinking?
I was just trying to pay the rent.
Oh, don't you dare blame this on us. You're delusional. I don't even feel safe with you around. You're sick, Dewey.
Patty.
You should get help.
Patty.
You should get your
Patty,
aunt.
that's enough.
I'm going, and when I get back, I want him out of here.
She's right, Dewey.
She's a pain.
She may be a pain, but she's right. You've done some really messed up stuff, but this is unforgivable. I mean, did you ever think about me?
You're not involved.
Oh, no? I could lose my teaching license, Dewey. My license, the apartment. This could screw up my entire life.
Actually, I'm so sorry.
It's too late for that. I want you to move out. Me. Go. It's over. I loved playing music with you. It was the best time of my life. Maybe some people aren't born to be rock stars. Did you ever think of that?
Whoa! What are you guys doing here?
Who's gonna get you? Buzz
Oh,
outside.
you guys gotta go back to school. Don't forget you
Yeah,
haven't
come
met me.
on, the bus is outside. We're late and have to go. Mr. Sneakley, take it up now.
Sneakley, I lied to you. I used you, and worst of all, I wasted all your time. So please go back to your lives, okay? Go. Oh, just go.
I was lost and in pain. So much hurt bottled inside. All the things I should have said, I just kept trying to hide. And I thought nobody could, but you understood. I needed to share, and only you would listen. Hope someone would care, and only you would listen. You raised my students.
Oh!
Stick it to the man.
Who print and play and scream and shout. Get on your question out. Typed up letter exactly where they all put it. Everything they advertise and and tell them they're the secret of the plan. And you were just as loud as you can.
Yes! And we shall teach rock to the world! There's an old way you can't stop the shooter. Now, get to the bus! Go!
There is a bus full of singing kids blocking the driveway. What is going on?
I'll tell you what's going on, Patty. I'm going to the Battle of the Bands, and there is no way you can stop me!
Ned! Do something! Oh my God, you never stand up to him. This is so par for the course. He just takes and takes.
I'm going to the show!
And now, the Battle of the Bands welcomes to the stage. No vacancy!
Baby, don't feel sorry. I know how hard you try. I guess some things they just ain't meant to be. Wanna know what happened? Look me in the eye. Face it, baby, the answer's plain to see. I'm too high for you. I know it's so unfair. I'm too high for you, and you're just kind of there. Thought we had a chance, but now it's second glance. I'm too high for you, so we got again.
Yes, we're here and the show's not over. You're on next. Be ready.
Okay, lights. Also, when I connect to the main board. Oh, hair, makeup, costume. You'll be there just a few more.
Guys, gather around. Okay, we only have one song to show them who we are, and I think it should be Zach's.
What about your song?
No, dude, you don't get it. You are better than me. You are 10 years old and you're better than me.
But we don't know it. Well, we know your song.
Already play it. We may not win.
We are not here to win. We are here to rock, okay? Tamika, you're singing the solo. Now, are you with me?
Yeah!
Then let's pray. Please bow your heads. Gods of rock, thank you for this chance to kick ass. We are your humble servants, but please give us the strength to blow their friggin' minds. Amen. Now let's rock.
Yeah! Mr. Schneebel is here.
Dude, it's Dewey.
Whatever, I almost forgot this is your costume.
I don't get it.
Just put it on.
Okay, so fine.
Son! Zach, what are you doing with that man?
That man? You mean the man that made me feel like I could shoot something?
Why here? Why now?
Because I'm part of the class. It's the first time.
Honey.
Mom. Yeah. I never felt cool before. But I'm the real band. I'm one of the cool kids. Summer, make them let us in.
Yes, come on.
Want to get in, you gotta buy a ticket.
A ticket!
The hell with this? Let's try round
No, I'm calling her therapist!
No, I'll do it. I've got my own speed dial.
Zach, I'm warning you.
Don't get it, Dad. For once in your life, open your ears and listen. This is for us, for the kids, and you are not taking it away.
Front entrance, sir.
Let's move it along, thanks.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the School of Rock!
Hi, we are the School of Rock, and this song was written by our lead guitarist, Zach Mooneyham.
Zach?
Really? Because dead vocals was dope.
Zach, come here.
Are you mad at me?
Man, I love you, son. And I've never been more proud.
Sorry, dude, back again. All right. Hi, they came to my house and I...
There he is. There he is. That's the man. Take him.
Is there a problem, officer?
Sir, I'm gonna need you to come with me. What's going on? It's been reported that this teacher
Oh, no,
has...
no. He is not a teacher at all.
That's right, he is not a teacher. Mr. Finn is our music coach, and he is fully qualified for that.
This has been a mistake, man.
No, wait a minute.
Think twice before you waste police time, huh? Huh? Come on. Give it up, Patty, it's over.
Ned? Ned.
Forget Applebee's, we're going to Red Lobster!
Wait, you didn't mean that, what you said about music coaching.
I don't know, but let's try it. What do you say? Music coaching after school? Because I tell you this, Dewey, I have never felt so cool in my life!
And the winner of tonight's $20,000 first prize is... No vacancy!
Disgraceful!
Oh, no.
I'm about to recount. School of Rock. 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 School of
Hey, guys, hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Listen. No, listen. They are screaming our name. Okay? That is rock and roll. That is what we came here for. And besides, no real rock star ever won anything. I'm really proud of you guys. We did it. We did it.
Okay. By popular demand, please welcome back to the stage the School of